Okay, this is assignment 2. We want to make a data science model for the tennis outdoor. So the first one, we have to import the necessary library. So this one, okay, and this is the most important part. So we have to make a creating train data set for a day, 10 days, the outlook, the temperature, all the prediction and humidity, wind, and you want to go to playing tennis. If no, for a sunny day, if 80 we humidity hike or weak, we don't go. We don't go to playing tennis. So we execute this, and we are loading to the data frame. We call it train data set. This is our data set. So this is the 10 days. This is the 10 days. The outlook sunny, cloudy, temperature, humidity, and you decide to we go to play or not. This we have to map the categorical value to numerical value. So we have to change this into for what we say is no, is false. We don't go to playing tennis. So we capitalize it. So this is still temperature, and then we creating the test data set. This is the data set. The outlook is sunny and rain. The temperatures is around 50 and 65. The humidity is high normal. So we test the data test. This is our data set. We don't go to if the outlook is sunny and temperature is 40, the humidity high, and the wind is weak. We don't go to play tennis. Otherwise, we go to play tennis. And this is the mapping categorical value to the numerical value to test data set. And then we're storing the 4 column in the x-axis. So this is our test. And then we're storing the data target, and then we go to the decision we don't go play and again, and we're storing all column to the x-axis. We test. This is the test. Okay, and we're creating the decision tree using the train data set, and we are going to predicting using the y prediction. This classifier is predict the test, and we are going to predict the value. And guess what? And yes, if it's rain in the normal in 20 and the humidity is weak, we go to play tennis. And this is the second part. We have to create the CSV file that at least 3 columns to the feature when we decide if a person have a COVID-19 or not. This is the first one. We will use the import to scikit-learn from our dataset. And this is we have to make our feature and target. So we are the first feature is creating our 30 row, choosing between 30 and 40. This is for the temperature between 10 and to 40, and this is the blood pressure between 100 to 1030. And this is the second category. The third category is breath, the people breathing in a minute between one single breathing or to 5, and the target is he or she infected by COVID. Okay, and then we have to make a data frame for the feature and the target, and we will name the column is as a temperature or blood pressure and the target. So, and then also we have to make the CSV file from this. All this is a random data, so we will use a random. Okay, and this is our data set. As you see, this is our temperature, this is blood pressure, is breath per minute, and this one is infected by COVID. And we look the temperature is 32, the blood pressure is 105, and the breath minute 2. The one is not infected by COVID. Okay, and we have to splitting the data, and our with the splitting data for the testing data, the size is 30%. Yeah, 30%, and we would like to know the accuracy. So we will print the accuracy score between the prediction and our test data. Our accuracy is almost 77%. Thank you.